slightly not very formal way. Okay, the judgment is very formal, everything has gone on there. But the way now after judgment, the discussion we are having is that we need the people of Keroka to do business peacefully, to live harmoniously. The two counties are predominantly one community and a very hardworking community. Let Keroka boundary not divide us. When you want to answer a call of nature, you are in Keroka, you don't ask whether it is in Keroka Kisii or Keroka Nyamira. You go to the one that is nearest. Okay? You go to the washroom that is nearest. When you want to buy a soda, you go to the shop that is nearest you, regardless of which side of the divide it is. Even churches. But if the trend goes on as it is, then people will even not marry from across the boundary. Hapana, huyu anatoka Kisii, Keroka Kisii, na wewe ni wa Nyamira Kisii, ya Nyamira Keroka. So let's not go to such extents. Let's, as His Excellency the Governor has said, let's maintain the boundary as it is and live harmoniously. And that's why I said I would not want to divide you people. As a judge, even in my judgment, I've tried as much as possible, though giving judgment as it is and granting the prayers that deserved to be granted, but at the same time, asked you to reconsider the service delivery agreement and see whether you can have some services granted together, or rather services delivered jointly between the two counties. If you say somebody coming to start a business there, you think of the profits you get. You not think of this side or that side. So let's maintain that. Sawa sawa. So mwende murejeshe amani. Hiyo mipaka, even as appeal is filed by one of the parties, hiyo mipaka ikae vile mlionyeshwa wakati ule mwingine. Keroka is one of the places that have brewed so many cases in my court. And some people have had their stalls demolished. Others have had their plots repossessed. There are those who have come to court saying that what had been allocated to them has now been turned into a marketplace and that kind of thing. So Keroka is a hot place. Let's not make it hotter. Let's try to cool it. And that's why I've told you, get down the trees and look at the forest. In other words, look at the bigger picture. This town can serve the whole of this region. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The court will arise.